What are the executor responsibilities for a complex estate? Have you ever wondered what it takes to manage a complex estate after someone passes away? The role of an executor is vital in ensuring that the deceased wishes are honored and legal requirements are met. Let's break down the responsibilities that come with this important position. First, the executor must locate the will and start the probate process. This legal procedure validates the will and oversees the administration of the estate. The executor's first task is to identify and secure all assets. This includes real estate, bank accounts, investments, and personal property. For complex estates, this can mean managing multiple properties or business interests. Next, the executor is responsible for managing the estate's finances. This involves keeping track of estate, accounts, and paying ongoing expenses like utilities and property taxes. These payments are crucial to maintaining the value of the estate during the probate process. Another key duty is notifying creditors and paying debts. The executor must inform all creditors about the death, review claims against the estate, and settle valid debts. This includes final medical bills and funeral costs. It is essential to complete this step before any assets are distributed to beneficiaries. Tax responsibilities also fall on the executor. They must file the deceased final income tax returns and any estate tax returns. It is important to ensure that taxes owed by the estate are paid on time to avoid penalties. Communication is another important aspect of the executor's role. They need to keep beneficiaries informed about the estate's progress and provide detailed accounting reports as required by law. The executor also represents the estate in probate court proceedings. Once all debts and taxes are settled, the executor can distribute the remaining assets to beneficiaries. This process must follow the instructions in the will or state law if there is no will. For complex estates, this may involve liquidating assets or managing the transfer of business interests. Additionally, the executor handles various legal and administrative tasks. This includes obtaining death certificates, filing insurance claims, and working with professionals like attorneys and accountants. From an elder law perspective, the executor must also consider the interests of elderly beneficiaries. This ensures that distributions do not negatively impact their eligibility for government benefits. Executors must act impartially and diligently, adhering to the will and applicable laws to avoid personal liability. In summary, managing a complex estate involves a wide range of responsibilities. The executor must balance the interests of creditors, beneficiaries, and the court while safeguarding the estate's assets throughout the probate process.